Hello, welcome to PBake's YouTube channel. Today we are going to do choco chip cookies. They are very gooey, chocolatey and chewy. One of the best. It has a shelf life of around 15 days, but it's not going to last that long. I use Callebaut Belgian chocolate chips for this. You can use any other chocolate chips. Let's start. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll melt the butter and toast it for about 5 minutes until it turns brown and smells caramelly. We'll stir it occasionally. This brown butter is the most trickiest part of this choco chip cookie. If you get this right, you'll get most of it right. I had chopped the butter into small cubes. It helps in even heating and faster heating. You can see it bubble now. And I can smell it's caramelly. We close it and now we let it cool for around 30 minutes till the time it's room temperature. So in the KitchenAid we put the cooled butter. As you can see, the color looks like a caramel now. It's cooled to room temperature. The more denser you make your butter, that means the more you boil it, the more darker you make it, the more intense the taste is going to be. A personal choice. We take in our brown sugar. Granulated sugar, or yogurt, vanilla essence. Now we are going to whisk it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's fluffy. You can use a hand mixer also. I'm going to show it to you so that you can see the consistency after it's done and how the color changes. Increase the speed just a bit. I'm putting it on number 6. It smells so good. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. I have used salted butter in this recipe, but it's up to you. You can use white butter too. But I like my cookies on a saltier side. It looks good now. I'm going to show it to you now. with the white, just the egg yolk, and beat again. Done. Now we're going to whisk our dry ingredients. Flour, salt, and the baking soda. Give it a whisk. Make sure it's fully incorporated. And you're going to put it in the brown butter batter. This is a brown butter mixture. You're going to add our dry ingredients into it. And only combine now. No more beating. If your dough is too wet, probably it's because of the temperature you are working in. Put it in the fridge for around 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it's sturdy and you can make balls out of it. We are going to add our chocolate chips into it now. I have used Callebaut dark chocolate chips. You can use any other chips you like. But I personally love Callebaut. And we are done. Our dough is ready. Take off the excess. I'm going to scoop them so that they are equally proportioned. I have my oven preheated at 180 degrees centigrade. I'm going to scoop out the dough now with the ice cream scooper and put it on the parchment paper. This helps us to get equal quantities. Put them about apart around an inch. have made 9 right now, and I think I can make another 6 later on. I'm going to put it inside to bake now for about 10 to 15 minutes. The cookies are done. It took about 15 minutes inside the oven. I'm going to cool them on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes before tasting them. I've cooled them on a wire rack for 10 minutes.